Namaskar. I am CA Dr. G.S. Grewal. We are all aware that this time Term 1 examination of CBSE will be MCQ based. And if it is held offline, then OMR sheets are to be used. Now, I have prepared this video for the first time users of OMR sheet. OMR sheet is in front of you. On the left side, you have to write in the words subject, subject code, day and date of examination, and various other information. On the right hand side, you will find many small circles. This is the OMR sheet. On top of it, you will be seeing that there are few markings given. But which one is the correct marking? The correct marking is when you circle, you darken the entire circle like this. And ensure when you darken the circle, the darkened place does not fall out of the circle area. Just below that is the name of the examinee, Naresh Kumar. So first alphabet is N. How do you write it on the OMR sheet? In the first column and on the end row, you darken that circle. So that way you have written N. Next alphabet is A. In the second column, on the A row, you darken that circle like this. So that way you will write Naresh. And give a space of one column. Start writing Kumar in the same manner. That way you will write your name. Move slightly right on the OMR sheet. There is the space for roll number. Roll number is suppose 1543727. The first number is 1. So in the first column, darken the circle where 1 is written. First circle where 1 meets. And second number is 5. In the second column, darken the circle where 5 and that second column meets. This way, you will write your roll number. Move slightly lower. There is a space for subject code. Accountancy subject code is 055. 0 is the first number. So in the first column, where 0 row meets, that is the circle you have to darken. In the second column, where 5 row meets, that is the circle you have to darken. And similarly in the third column, that way you have written 055, which is the subject code. Move slightly right, you will find there is a center number. Suppose center number is 2314. In the first column, darken the circle where 2 is written. In the second column, darken the circle where 3 is written. And in the third, where 1 is written, and in the fourth, where 4 is written. That way you have written the center number. Move downwards. There is a subject. You write accountancy there. Below that, you have to write your roll number in words. 15 lakhs, 43,727. Just below that, your parent name or your guardian name, and thereafter you sign this sheet. Now coming on to the other part, where you have to darken the circle to give your answers to the questions. As per the sample paper, you will have 55 questions, out of which you have to answer 45. Now, how do you do that? Suppose in your question number 1, you decide that C option is correct. So, darken the circle where C is written in the row of first question, like this. In the second question, if your correct option is A, you have to darken the circle on the A and 2 meets like this. And in question number 3, your correct option is B. You darken the circle where B is written in front of question number 3. And in question number 4, you suppose your option is D, which you think is correct. Then in the 4th column, in front of question number 4, you darken the circle where D is written. This way, you will answer 45 questions. I hope you have liked this video and you will take full advantage of it. Thank you very much.